Reliable internet access is essential for navigation, communication, and entertainment at sea. Whether you're a yacht owner, captain, or crew, having the right marine network router ensures stable, high-speed connectivity. Concord Marine Electronics specializes in Starlink, Peplink, Pepwave, and MDS Blender solutions to keep your vessel connected anywhere in the world. What does a marine network router do? It manages Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections for all onboard devices, ensures secure, stable communication between systems, and provides failover between multiple internet sources. Without a reliable marine router, onboard systems like navigation, vessel monitoring, and streaming services may experience interruptions. Best marine router options include the Starlink Gen 3 router, which offers high-speed satellite internet with Wi-Fi for up to 125 devices. The Pepwave Max BR1 Router, which supports 5G connectivity with multiple SIM slots for redundancy. Peplink Routers, which have advanced features like WAN switching between dockside broadband, Cellular, and Starlink. And the MDS Blender, the ultimate marine networking solution that combines Starlink, LTE/5G, VSAT, and dockside broadband into a single high-performance network. Choosing the right router for your vessel depends on size. For boats under 50 feet, a Starlink, Peplink, or Pepwave Max BR1 router provides fast, wireless connectivity. Yachts and large vessels require advanced routers, multiple network segments, and seamless failover. Why upgrade to the MDS Blender? For luxury yachts and commercial vessels, the MDS Blender is a game-changer, supporting up to 500 devices, ideal for charter yachts and business operations. It combines up to 4 internet sources, including Starlink, LTE/5G, VSAT, and dockside broadband, with instant failover and high-speed bonding of up to 1 gigabit per second connectivity. It also offers advanced security and remote management with global IP flexibility and data monitoring. Get the best marine internet solution today. Since 1988, Concord Marine Electronics has been a trusted leader in marine technology. Whether you need Starlink, Peplink, Pepwave, or a custom MDS Blender network, we provide expert installations and support to keep your yacht connected anywhere in the world. Contact us today for a custom marine network solution tailored to your needs.